Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and today we are taking a closer look at the Canon EOS R8 mirrorless camera, a tool designed to unleash the creative potential of photographers and videographers alike. Unleash your creativity with this camera capable of recording high quality videos in stunning 4K at 60 frames per second. It is derived from an impressive 6K resolution ensuring unparalleled detail and clarity. But that's not all. The camera offers full HD capabilities at 180 frames per second to shoot slow motion videos. And for post-production enthusiasts, the EOS R8 supports 10-bit Canon Log 3 format, allowing you to enhance your content with a plethora of possibilities. At its core, the EOS R8 features a 24.2 million megapixel CMOS sensor and a powerful DigiX image processor, ensuring exceptional image quality. Thanks to advanced focusing system like EOS ITR AFX and dual pixel CMOS AF2, precise focus is achieved in photos and videos, keeping your subject sharp and clear. With unobstructed 4K movie recording at 60 frames per second and 6K oversampling, the camera delivers premium quality footage without compromise. Plus, with a maximum movie recording time of up to 2 hours, you'll never miss a moment. Whether capturing fast-moving action or executing quick camera pans, the EOS R8 handles it all seamlessly, offering high resolution at low ISO speed and controlled noise at high ISO settings. And as a multitasking powerhouse, it is ready to support your content creation journey, whether a high-quality webcam or for live streaming. With all its power in such a compact body, the Canon EOS R8 sits in the intersection of professional performance and portability. Get yours now and spruce up your photography skills.
Guys, if you're in the market for a new camera, there are several things to consider before making the purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right kind of camera for your needs. Here are some of the most common types of cameras. Instant cameras, ideal for capturing instant memories and producing physical prints. Action cameras, best for outdoor enthusiasts and extreme sports, capturing hands-free footage. Point and shoot digital cameras, easy to use and portable, perfect for everyday photography. DSLR cameras, best for professional photographers, providing advanced manual controls and interchangeable lenses. Mirrorless cameras, a newer type of camera that provides the quality of DSLRs in a smaller and lighter body. Bullet cameras, best for outdoor surveillance, providing high-quality video and images with wide-angle lenses and night vision. In addition to the camera, there are several types of lenses available as well, each with its own specific use and benefits. Here are some of the most common types of camera lenses. Standard lenses, also known as normal lenses, these lenses have a focal length of around 50 mm and are suitable for everyday photography. They offer a natural perspective that is similar to what the human eye sees. Wide-angle lens. These lenses have a shorter focal length, typically between 10 to 35 mm, and are ideal for capturing wide landscapes or fitting more into a frame. Telephoto lenses. These lenses have a longer focal length, typically between 70 to 300 mm, and are great for capturing subjects from a distance such as wildlife or sports photography. Macro lenses. These lenses are designed for close-up photography and allow you to capture small subjects with great detail. They typically have a magnification ratio of 1:1 or greater. Zoom lenses. Zoom lenses have a variable focal length, allowing you to zoom in and out without having to switch lenses. They are versatile and can be used for a wide range of photography styles. When choosing a camera lens, it is important to consider the focal length, aperture, and image stabilization. Additionally, you should think about the specific type of photography that you want to pursue and choose a lens that is suitable for your needs. Guys, I sure hope you found this guide helpful. Happy photography!